Assalamualaikum and hello my lovely students. How's your online classes going on so far? I hope it's going on well and I hope that all of you are still excited to learn. So for today's class, we're going to look into Smart Grammar and Vocabulary 3 book, this one, on page 14 until 15 with the topic Present Simple of Like plus Noun. So let's move on to our lesson. So this is page 14 and 15. These are the exercise that you need to do later. But for now, I'm going to teach you on the rules for present simple of like plus noun, which is, as usual, I already simplified the notes here. Okay, first what I want you to do is to pause this video and copy this in your exercise book. Okay, pausekan sekejap and salin dalam buku tulis. Okay, salin tajuk dia. Don't forget to write the day and date. Salin tajuk dia kat sini. And then these two. After you're done copying these two table, continue with this one. Tajuk ni dah tak tulis. Sambung terus kotak yang tadi tu. Salin this one and this one bawah yang tadi. Okay. Assuming that you already done copying, now I'm going to explain to you what is present simple of like plus noun is. Now, look at the first one, positive. You already learned this, right? Positive is like benda yang jadi, benda yang dia suka. So like, what does like mean? Like means suka. So now, positive, read it with me. I like chocolate. You like chocolate. We like chocolate. They like chocolate. Now, for I, you, we, they, we use like without S. Okay, now for he, she, it. He likes chocolate. She likes chocolate. It likes chocolate. So can you see the difference? For I, you, we, they, we don't need to add S. But for he, she, it, we add S for positive. Okay? Maksudnya benda yang dia suka, kalau I, you, we, they tak perlu ada S. Kalau he, she, it tambah S. Okay, and then plus nampak ni like plus noun. Noun is kata nama. So chocolate is kata nama. Chocolate is noun. Now let's look at the negatives. Kalau tadi positive tu suka, negative is tak suka. So read with me. I don't like chocolate. You don't like chocolate. We don't like chocolate. They don't like chocolate. Okay, for I, you, we, they, we use don't. Okay, don't. Now let's look at he, she, it. He doesn't like chocolate. She doesn't like chocolate. It doesn't like chocolate. So can you see the difference? For I, you, we, they, we use don't. For he, she, it, we use doesn't. Okay. Kalau macam tadi positif, he, she, it, kita perlu tambah S. Kalau negatif, maksudnya dia tak suka, jadi tak perlu tambah S. Dua-dua tak perlu ada S. Like this. The difference is, I, you, we, they, we use don't. He, she, it, we use doesn't. Now let's look at the example. You like table tennis. You like. You don't need to add S because you. Can you see? Are you with it? You like table tennis. I don't like football. Okay. This one is positive. No, this one is negative. For I, we have to use don't. We use don't. I don't like football. Next one. We like games, okay? We also doesn't need to add S here, okay? Because it's we. And you see here, we like. No S. We like games. We don't like football, okay? We don't. For we use don't. We don't like football. Maksudnya, kita tak suka football. Next one. They like ballet. So Now they, we use, which one is they here? They like, no as, valid. They is mereka, this one. She's referring to these three girls. Mereka tak suka, mereka suka valid. Next one, she likes yoga. Okay, can you see the difference? For just now we use they, we use like without s. Now there is s here because she, maksudnya dia seorang perempuan. He, she, it. We need to add s. She likes yoga. Okay, next one. Read with me. He doesn't like basketball. Okay, he doesn't. Just now for they, we use don't. Now he, she, it, we use doesn't. He doesn't like basketball. Okay, same goes with this one. Kalau kita nak tukar, she doesn't like yoga. Kalau dia tak suka, she doesn't like yoga. Jadi s ni buang, tambah doesn't. Like this one. Okay, remember if negative, we don't need to add s kat belakang, even though he, she, it. Okay, do you understand this now? Now, we already look at the positive and negative table. Now we look at the question. Tadi kita tengok statement, sekarang kita tengok soalan. So, macam mana awak nak tanya orang tu suka atau tidak? This one. Question, read with me. Do I like chocolate? Do you like chocolate? Do we like chocolate? Do they like chocolate? So for they, we use do. Ingat tak tadi we use I don't like, right? For example, kat sini kita guna don't masa yang tadi tu. So sekarang ni don't tu kita jadi do. Tukar ke depan. Kalau question do tadi kita pindahkan dia ke depan. Like this one. Okay, for they, we use do. Remember that? Now, this also doesn't need to add s. Now the next one, he, she, it, we use does. So read with me. Does he like chocolate? Does she like chocolate? Does it like chocolate? Okay, for he, she, it, we use does. For they, we use do. Okay. Now the answer. Okay, now you answer this question. Do I like chocolate? Okay. Do you like chocolate? Now, if you want to answer yes, you answer like this. Yes, I do. Or yes, you do. Yes, we do. Or yes, they do. For no, kalau awak tak suka, no, I don't. No, you don't. No, we don't. No, they don't. Okay, for they, we use do or don't. Kalau yes, we use do. If no, we use don't. Next one is he, she, it. Yes, he does. Yes, she does. Yes, it does. Or no, he doesn't. No, she doesn't. No, it doesn't. Okay. Sekarang, can you see the difference? For they, we use do or don't. Yes, do for yes, don't for no. And then for he, she, it, does for yes, and doesn't for no. Now let's look at the example. Do you like football? Can you read with me? Do you like football? So, you, for you, we use do. Okay, you do. Do you like football? Okay, his answer is yes, I do. Okay, yes, I do. I do. For we use do. Okay, kalau dia suka, he said yes, I do. Next one. Do you like tennis? Okay, for you, we also use do. Do you like tennis? No, I don't. Okay, he said no. If no, No, I don't. Can you see this section? Okay, next one. Do they like ballet? For they, we also use do. This one, they. Do. They do. Yes, they do. Okay, ya mereka suka. Yes, they mereka. Yes, they do. Okay, does he like table tennis? Similar to just now. For this one, just now for they we use do, and right now he. For he, we use does. Does he like table tennis? Yes, he does. Ya, dia suka. Okay. He does. Next one. Does she like volleyball? Okay, question. Even though he, she, it, tak perlu tambah s sebab soalan. So, does she like volleyball? The answer is no, she doesn't. So, for no, we use doesn't because she. No, she doesn't. Okay, it's easy, right? Now, let's do some activity, some exercise to enhance your understanding. Now, let's read the instruction together. Look at the table and complete. Okay, tengok jadual ni dan isi tempat kosong. Okay, look at this one. We have Kate and we have Mike. Okay, this one is Kate and this one is Mike. Okay, these are the sport that they like and don't like. Now look at the first one. Kate, what? Tennis. Okay, which one is tennis? Which one is Kate? This one is Kate. Kate is right here. And tennis. This one is tennis. So did she like? Does she like tennis? No, she doesn't. If she doesn't like tennis, Kate doesn't like tennis. Okay, we use doesn't. Doesn't like tennis. Kate doesn't like tennis. Okay, why we use doesn't? Because Kate is seorang perempuan. Dia seorang perempuan is she. She. Okay, for she, negative, we use doesn't. So the answer is doesn't like tennis. Okay, now let's look at number 2. Kate, what? Basketball. Okay, look at this picture. This is a picture of basketball. Does she like to play basketball? Yes, she does. So the answer is for Kate we use she. She kalau dia suka is positive. Kalau positive, she, the answer is likes. With S, likes. Okay, dia seorang, she likes. With S. She likes basketball. Next one, number 3. Kate, what? Football. Okay, look at this one. Football. Does Kate like football? No, she doesn't. So the answer is similar to this one. Kate doesn't like. Doesn't like football. Okay, sebab dia seorang, so we use doesn't. Now the next one is Mike. Which one is Mike? This one. Good. Now, Mike, what? Tennis. Okay, look at this picture of tennis. Does Mike like tennis? Yes, she does. So, Mike, the answer is Mike, lelaki ke perempuan? It's a boy. So, boy, dia seorang lelaki. We use he. Okay, he, positive. This one is correct, right? Positive. He likes tennis with S. Don't forget to add S. He likes tennis. Okay. Remember, kalau dia tak suka, tak perlu tambah S. Kalau dia suka sahaja, tambah S. Kalau negative and question, no need to add S for he, she, it. Okay, next one. Kate and Mike. Kate and Mike means both of them, dua-dua. Kate and Mike, what? Basketball. Okay, which one is basketball? Here. These two is basketball. Okay. Do they like basketball? Do Kate and Mike like basketball? Yes, they do. So, if positive, we look at the positive table right here. Kate and Mike is dua orang. Kalau dua orang, kita panggil mereka. Mereka in English, what? They. Okay. Look at here, they. Okay, now, diorang suka kan? So, they like basketball. Okay, no need to add S because it's they. Kalau they, tak perlu tambah S. Kate and Mike like basketball. Okay, next one, number 6. Kate and Mike, what? Football. Now, which one is football? Okay, this two is football. Do Kate and Mike like football? No, they don't. If they don't like football, it's negative. Okay, tadi Kate and Mike kita panggil apa? What is the pronouns? It's they, mereka. So, kalau dia tak suka, they for they we use don't. Okay, kalau tadi, this one is she and this one is it, right? This one is she, we use doesn't. Now, untuk they, we use don't. Okay, Kate and Mike don't like football. Okay. Can you understand now? Great. Okay, we already made it to the end of the video. Now, that's all for me today. See you next class. Bye.